Hi everyone, my name is Ava Marsh and I'm a licensed cosmetologist in Reno, Nevada, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick and easy hairstyles to do when you're running late. So I did some heatless curls last night, and then I took my curling iron and kind of touched up the ones that weren't as curly. So I'm just starting with like clean hair with curls, and then this morning I used a little Orbe Wave and Shine Spray. So that's all the products I have in my hair. The first hairstyle I'm going to do is a half up, half down high pony. So for that, I like to just take my thumbs and I'm going to frame my face. So I have a pretty thick money piece, so I like to use that as my face frame. So I'm going to take my thumbs and I'm going to circle around my crown. Once I circle around my crown, I'm going to take my tail comb and I'm going to kind of just clean it up. Look to the side and kind of see what hair needs to be brought down and what hair needs to be picked up. I'm not too picky on if it needs to be like even or anything. Okay, once I have that, I'm going to be taking a little black elastic. You can get these from Target. And then you're going to just gather all your hair into your ponytail, and it's high, so right on top of your head. You're going to go ahead and secure that. And then you're going to split it in two and pull to tighten it. So once we have that, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to pinch and pull the crown to add some volume and some texture into it. Right, so did that. Now I have some volume and some texture going on. And then my last step is I'm going to take my tail comb again, and I'm going to take my pony and I'm just going to tease into my ponytail. And then kind of just smooth it out. Tighten it up again. And then there you have the first hairstyle. Just lots of volume, super easy, half up, half down ponytail. Next style is going to be a low bun. What I do for the low bun is I'm going to take all of my hair and gather it to the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull out the little pieces I want next to my ears. And then my face frame pieces. So once I have that, I still have all this hair. I'm going to just make sure it's all into my ponytail. And I'm going to take a cord hair tie, my pony, and I'm going to take my hair tie and I'm going to wrap it around. And then wrap it around again. And then you kind of have this. I like to take one more hair tie and I kind of just push on it like this, gather it around like however I want, just kind of make it messy. And then I do one more hair tie. And then I'm going to just pull it out and make it super messy. And then once you have that, it's kind of tight to your head, which that's not really my style. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hands back like this and pull it out. And then face the front and see if I like the amount of volume. And then I'm going to do the same thing in my crown. And I'm going to pinch and pull to get some volume into my crown. I'm going to face forward, pinch and pull just till I have enough volume going around to my hair. But once you have that, that's going to be your quick and easy low bun. I love this low bun because it's super quick and easy and it's super messy, and I just love how it looks because it's still put together but it's also really messy and really cute. The third hairstyle is going to be a side braid. So I just take all of my hair, gather it up, and I bring it to whatever side is my favorite side, and then pull out your face frame pieces, pull out the ones by your ears. And then once you have those, you still have all your hair gathered right here. I'm going to divide it into 3 sections for a 3-strand braid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and braid that pretty tight to my head. Okay, once I have that braided tight to my head, I'm going to take one of my elastics. I'm gonna go ahead and tie the bottom of it. So once I have that, you can leave it if that's how you like it, but I like to make it a little messier, so I'm gonna go ahead and pinch and pull the sides of the braid. So I think that's super cute, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I'm just gonna kind of gently pull out other hairs, pinch and pull my crown for more volume. And there's the third hairstyle. So those are my top 3 hairstyles that are super quick and easy for when you're running late. If you like this video, go ahead and like it and make sure you're subscribed, and go ahead and leave a comment below on what video you want to see next or what hair tutorial, and I'll see you next time.